Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is Rizwan video. So today I'm going to show you the other type of Serenity Mansions which is made by Tilal Al Ghaf, Majdul Fatem Group. So this is the master plan or the key plan of the community, Serenity Mansions. If you see from here, this is the Crystal Lagoon. And this Serenity Mansions will be having the direct access to this Crystal Lagoon with the private beach. So this in the middle, this is a part of Lanai Island. It's made like this just to show the concept clearly, but there are few villas over here but which they have not made here to clarify your point of view. So let's talk about the types of standalone villas and mansions. First two rows, it's called Kai and Fay. The very first row, the starting price is 59 million. It's having a huge 25,000 square feet plot. And then the second row, it's also Kai and Fay, but it's starting from 39 million because it's the second, and in the middle of this you're having a road. So because of this there is a price difference, but if you see the sizes, it will be the same as compared to the first row. Then in the middle you will be having a short something like park or the green areas for the kids. Then you have a third row and the fourth row. It's called Ara standalone villas. There the prices are starting from 32 million to 35 million. All of these villas having a huge plot areas, private pool, elevators and all of these things. Then on the fifth and sixth row, these are the last two rows. These called Isla and Luna. The prices again, it depends on the size of the plot and the built up area, but there is a huge price difference here. The prices are starting in the last two rows, 23.5 million to 27.5 million. So if I will show you in the master plan of this community, I'm talking about this side of Crystal Lagoon. So here you have Lanai Island. This is the part of Lanai Island, and this Kai and Fay is just facing to this side of Crystal Lagoon with a private beach. Then this is the second row of Aura, third and fourth row of Aura, and then fifth and sixth row of Isla and Luna. So all of this area which is in the light green color, it's called Serenity Mansions. Inside of this area you will be having a lot of facilities like this Crystal Lagoon kind of pool, parks, kids play areas, a lot of the things for the enjoyment and for your own privacy. And one of the best thing is that for this whole part you are having a private beach with the directly Crystal Lagoon. In this whole community only there are three areas where you are getting direct beach access, as you can see, and the last one is this Serenity Mansions. So today I'm going to show you the mock-up model of the Fay Mansions, which is on the top of this Crystal Lagoon with the high-end finishing and the ultra luxurious kind of facilities. So this is the mock-up model. It's basement plus ground plus first and second floor. So it's facing directly to this Crystal Lagoons, as you can see, and this is the backyard of this villa. It's having a private garden from here, and then on the left side there you will get your private pool in the long shape. In the parking, if you talk about the garage, you are getting the 8 parking spaces for your exclusive ultra super luxury car collections. Then your driver room, your maid room, all of these things you will get in your basement, including a separate lounge for your friends or for your in-house parties. You will be able to get in the basement. And then the elevator you will get in the corner, which will go all the way from basement to the top floor. So the entrance of this villa is on this side. If you will come at this side, this is the parking garage entrance. Here this is the ramp of this parking area, and this is the main entrance door of this villa. So on the ground floor you will be able to get the 1 bedroom and then 2 living areas. The one will be formal, the one will be casual, and then a show kitchen and the spicy kitchen you will be able to get separately. The show kitchen with another appliances and with the marble countertops, and then the spicy kitchen on behind of that you will be able with all of the kitchen appliances and the access door to your backyard. So on the ground floor, this was the structure of the ground floor. On the first floor, you would be able to get the rest of your bedroom with the master bedroom, which will be 5 or 6 as per your need or as per your demand that you will make to the developer once you are going to buy this villa. So let me show you now the elevation of or the backyard of first floor. As you can see that this is going to be the ground floor. As the ground floor, you are getting a huge area. It's connected with your middle garden. Here you are getting a beautiful greenish garden and a huge 180-degree floor to ceiling windows. The water features in the middle, which is nearby to this green garden. And then here you are separately getting a pool deck or something for your enjoyment. It's very huge, starting from here to there. And then on the first floor, the thing that I like that you are getting a huge terrace connected with each bedroom and separately divided by this wall. It's for all of the bedrooms. With all of the bedrooms, this is the corner bedroom and it's a master bedroom. You can make it as a mega master bedroom by joining it to the other bedroom, which is the customizable and you can make by your request. And this is the courtyard or small terrace which you can have with this your master bedroom. Now let's talk about the rooftop. On the rooftop, you will be getting your gym, and on the rooftop you will be able to get a huge terrace. And on the top floor, as you can see that here you are getting a huge terrace once again, and then in the middle as well you can make your private lounge in the middle as well. Then a huge terrace again connected with your gym. The gym is so huge you can make it as a private gaming room attached with the gym or a lounge as well. So this was the mock-up model of Fay Villas in the Serenity Mansions. So I am leaving my WhatsApp number on the screen. If you are locally based, you can call me anytime, or if you are internationally based, you can drop me a WhatsApp at any time. I will be happy to answer all of your questions. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.